When the sensors on a garage door are not functioning properly, it may be due to the fact that the sensors are out of alignment. In this case, the sensors need to be realigned. Realigning garage door sensors only requires gently pushing the sensors back into position. The correct position of the sensors would be where they would be directly facing each other. When the sensors are not aligned correctly, lights will blink as an indicator. Once the sensors are repositioned and realigned properly, a solid light will replace the blinking light.